Okay guys, today I'm going to show you what is Price Sheet by Cheapify and how to use it. This is a quick summary and tutorial on how to use it. Okay, so we're here on the website. As you can see, this is the space summary of which you will get. As you also can see here, this is low is what people will, what cheapest, average is what people will pay for, and high is what overpay. As you can see on the right hand, this is the markets. Then you click, and on the left hand side, this is all the features. So in the markets, you have the national US and Illinois, they're the same thing. And if you click on gas, you have the same thing with some list on the bottom, and then the same thing. Right here, this is alerts, so you could type in what you want to say. You could put in the number, the days. You can set alert. See, I have alert that 3. It's gonna alert me once the price hits 3. These are the filters. So the paste the link does not work. It's not working at this moment, but it will work eventually. So I'm gonna go to tech. You see, I'm gonna search up iPhone 11, and look at that. See, you can see iPhone. You can click, just enter the website. But you can see now it shows you all the iPhone and it gives you the summary. Okay, now enjoy. Thank you.